Afidie in Kenwaka solo no ne who afine solo no ne who. Oziana solo no ne who. Dear Chamunu, a chamu. Say young koye frakadam near AyEka say.
I want them to take Akwatia serious. Look, and Rami who publication say
can't afford to lose
Interior Minister say Omon Penny Emma Basabasa EB and Koso Akwatia into a direct police phone say they should take charge. I'm sure Boa NPP for Mama Obia Nada.
No office of a casa NPP for and Womansa Paya Sako. Masa Muntaka Sak
na say security na eba conference no. So who member na about say yen ya hu but there minim say impenifo ko share Friday. Minim say MPP impenifo e share Friday. Na senior congress no call no any other matters are writing. Nti minim say Akwatia nsensem no ebebe mu ama o maka ho asem ne ehu de ekọ. Ba feed ye nke solo no ne ho afi ne solo no ne ho. Oziana solo no ne ho. De atwamu no atwamu say young koye frakadam ne wi AyEka che say ye ma obi o ye snake python award. Say ye be shorthand that ye be ma say long sleeves now pa ye be ma. If you come there
and Kasakra na obi aka say wins.
Oh no yeah inside obi a ye be boy ho ba.
Ye boy ho ba, that's the red.
We are going to protect ourselves.
And Obi can say we incite violence. What we are saying is say NPP phone tie Muntaka small can say ombeye say NPP me say can say this NPP phone decide election no munko so ombekwa de omumu ho
because you call asin enough ama dampare ene na police for ekoye de mo beye bia de tia party no mpobra na party no aban na dampare de so na katua ne nyame de ama no ebedi na chirache boni a wadi etia MPP boni wadi etia Kufuado ebedi na chirache boni wadi etia Ghana yakọ ema de kwesi yesi ya bab Ablekumanov ama de wesi yesi kwasia ni dua yesi kwasia no se mi ebio enti de yesi Asinov ya mfenso nyansa de yesi Ablekumanov ya mfenso nyansa de na se party na se wo mu gu no na obi apen ba bitina eno nso so engu party no onipa na no memreda ewo Lagos Stadium ho no ehunu se party mrantie no wo mo da so party no ho do enti amrantie no mo asesa mo hwe wo mo so na mo keka mo bom na mo de mo kọ Akwatia no mo bo ma no mfiri ne na mo ya krado se wo mo so bọ akọbọ party no ban e se nya dia party no e bọ akọye hwe han se dabia mama twinfa wo mo so na mo nkọ dabi abasa dia party nkwada no e wo mu kra obi ambambebu but MPP dabia meka ya se bia wo mu suro NDC fo NDC wo mo nyamema ho NDC ni ka hai na ka hai obedwane wo mo nyamema nsan MPP fo NDC wo mo vigilante groups wo mo share MPP fo a mo dwane only some MPP fo no na basa no mo mpenti no ama NDC fo ni team yo mo de but ne esiye e wa Ablekumanov a sabio ye nya Ghana nyansafo amama me condemn no de besi ba bibia no obi am biem na no eme yes wona we ohene wona onim baburu mu wona ye de yon because ye woni se Ghana ha no ese ne ye de ehwebere se yensem ye ni obi okama obi a
yeah
no
in fact obi asende so jeni penny ba kwa send message say I watched the defense minister did the usual propaganda yesterday in an attempt to score cheap popularity and to marginalize Kufuado for doing nothing. I can tell you on authority that from all government, President Kufuado Bawumia government has struck the Ghana Armed Forces better than all. Former President Kufuado left office how many months now for the propagandist NDC defense minister to come and tell
you can come and bring names, and because somebody has majority, he will move the motion and remove every one of them and change for you. Just 8 years ago, this side of the house had 169 members of parliament. 8 years ago, That is not how we exercise that majority. No, that's not how we exercise it. So I'll urge the majority leader to stand down on this motion, do negotiations on the points which you raise, which are very legitimate. And then tomorrow, or even today, they can bring an amendment to it or an addendum for Parliament to take it. We can take it today. But to be moving this on the floor, I think it is not a good thing. You'll be setting a precedence, you'll be setting confrontations, and it's not good for us. These are very good, legitimate points you have made, and I agree with you that ECOWAS will not accept a delegation that does not. It happened before, Mr. Speaker. We had to change here. We went back and came back to change. So I agree that ECOWAS will not accept a delegation that does not meet that threshold of 30% for females. In fact, we should even be trying to do more. So I accept it. But I oppose with all my strength and with the experience here, what you are trying to do is not good. And you know, deep down your heart, that what you are trying to do is not good. Please, step it down, go back behind the scenes, negotiate, and let's agree to it. It will help all of us. Secondly, as I stated, if you decide to take Achampo out and leave 2 out of 9, it does not meet the threshold that we are supposed to have. In fact, for even the ECOWAS Pan-African Parliament, that you will have 5, if you calculate, we are supposed to be having 1.6 persons. The moment you cross the 0.5, it should have been 2 instead of 1. But we didn't argue. It's supposed to be 1.6 people for us here. Yes, we don't have half. The moment you cross, yes, the moment you cross 0.5, then you move towards the 2 instead of coming back to 1. But we agree to you. So why are you doing what you are trying to do? Because today you think you have the numbers. It's wrong. Tomorrow we may not be here. You may not be here. I may not be here. But you have set a precedent that it will not be good for us. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to urge you. You have over 32 years of experience in this House. That is, you were first minority leader, majority leader, came back to be majority leader. I want to urge that you prevail on the leaders to step down on this motion, consult widely, resolve the matters behind the scenes, and come back and present to us so that we go back to the ECOWAS Parliament and Pan-African Parliament with a united force. I'm urging the majority not to go on the route it's going. I'm urging you, please, don't go on that route. Step it down. We can resolve this matter today and come.
Our members here have benefited from that. The former president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, was one of the beneficiaries here of our leadership strategies. So is the current president, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. So please, what we do here is not for our personal benefits, it's for that of the nation.